I'm from Evotek, the technology partner for this Tatmeen platform. So we will answer the questions raised by the users. So users, if you have any questions, please raise your hand. I will allow you the mic and then we can discuss on your question and then the responses can be shared accordingly. So as of now, I don't see any hands raised by the participants. Please raise your hand if you have any questions, please. Antony Medical Center, please unmute yourself and ask your question. Antony Medical Center, you need to unmute yourself and ask your question.
Hello.
Yes, good morning.
Yeah, morning. Yeah, it's regarding the product verification option in Tatmeen portal. I'm trying to enter the vaccine details we are buying, but it's all
Mhm.
showing error message. That's why we are
What is
not
the
able to show anything to this emerged person.
error message you are getting up?
1 second, I'll tell you the error message is for verification failed.
Hmm.
Yeah. In the
Okay.
event, the doesn't exist and all. In the event, yeah, always is showing error.
Okay. Can you send that particular error snapshot, entire page of error snapshot to onboarding at tatmeen.ae, so that we will check and then come back to you with the feedback.
Yeah, okay, fine.
Please drop an email to onboarding at tatmeen.ae, the entire page of the snapshot, error snapshot. Once we have these details, we can check in the system and then I can inform you I will share you the feedback. Okay.
Okay, okay. Okay, fine. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much. Okay, I don't see any hands raised by other participants. If you have any questions, please raise your hand. I will allow you the mic and then we can discuss on your question. Hiba, can you unmute yourself and ask your question? Hiba, please, you need to unmute yourself and ask your question. I have given access to the mic. You need to unmute and ask your question, please. Hiba, can you unmute yourself and ask your question, please? Okay. Meanwhile, I will take up a question with Priyanka. Priyanka, can you unmute yourself and ask your question, please?
Hello. Yeah, hi.
Yes.
Yeah, I just wanted to confirm whether we need to link the shipments which we send to EHS or HUD, which are the government entities.
I didn't understand your question. Ask your question again, please. I think Hiba, you are on mute again.
Hello. Are you able to hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you now.
Great. So, we happen to ship the medicines even to Emirates Health Services and also
Hmm.
to the Health Authority of Abu Dhabi, which are
Mm-hmm.
the government entities. So, do
Mm-hmm.
we need to link even those shipments in Tatmeen? Because until now it was mentioned that we don't have to link any shipments which we happen to ship to the government entities. So since now that our regulatory team, they are asking to brand, I mean, like sync in all the details like the GTIN and all. So I just wanted to confirm whether we also need to link the shipments in
Okay, so
Tatmeen.
you are shipping these medicines to government entities, is it?
Yes, correct.
Okay. I think these since these are sending to government entities, you will still need to report these into Tatmeen if those medicines falls under conventional or biological medicines category.
Yes, but then the earlier notification which we have received or which we are following until now was
Hmm.
that we
Hmm.
don't have to link any of the shipments which are shipped directly to the
Hmm.
government entities.
Okay, so I think I do not have a proper answer for this because I will have to check internally what is the process followed for sending the medicines to the government entities. So Heba, can you drop an email to onboarding@tatmeen.ae explaining the scenario, like saying you want to ship the medicines to these following government entities, and then from there you can expect some response from us.
Okay, sure. I will do that.
Okay,
Yeah. Thank you.
thank you, thank you so much. I do not see any hands raised by other participants. If you have any questions, please raise your hand. I will allow you the mic and then we can discuss on your questions, please. Kutti Nanda Kumar Narayanan, can you unmute yourself and ask your question, please?
Yes. Hi, Mr. Bharadwaj. Thank you so much for this session. I represent Baxter, and we are a principal company here in the UAE, operating from the free zone entity. So
Mhm.
my question is, if we are, as an organization, if our supply chain wants to request, a slight training module on Tatmeem and the processes that we need to follow with our distributors, can that
Mhm.
be arranged with Tatmeem?
Um, like what is your name, Nanda Kumar, right? So you see,
Yes.
we do not have a dedicated training model for the
Okay.
users.
Okay.
Okay, but if there is a Tatmeen.ae website, so we
Okay.
encourage all the users, the industry to explore Tatmeen.ae website. So that
Okay.
website contains all the training manuals, the guidelines,
Right.
everything related to Tatmeen. Okay.
Perfect.
So
So,
my suggestion for you is go to Tatmeen.ae website and then
okay.
explore, invest some time in understanding the Tatmeen process by
Right.
reading through the training manuals.
Perfect. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Bharadwaj. Thank you.
All right. Okay.
Yeah. Perfect.
Bye. Bye. Shiva, can you unmute yourself and ask your question, please? Shiva, I have given you the mic. Please unmute yourself and ask your question, please. Okay, I will move to the next caller, Afsal Planet. Can you unmute yourself and ask your question, please? Afsal, I have given you the mic.
Hello.
Please unmute. Yes, please.
Yeah. Hello. Good morning.
Good
Am I
morning,
audible?
Afsal. Yes, you are audible.
Yeah. Thank you. Actually, I'm from Julfa Pharmaceutical Drug Store.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, I sent one email to onboarding Tatmeen regarding one verification issue. While I'm
Mm-hmm.
verification the SSCC, it's showing some error messages.
Yeah.
Is there any MB limitation for the SSCCs or it's free now?
Sorry, do you have the ticket number with you?
Yeah, yeah.
Can you tell me the ticket number, please?
TAT 8748.
Okay. I think we received this ticket just now.
Okay, okay.
I think you would have sent this particular email
Yeah,
before
yeah,
this call, few minutes back.
yeah.
So we will have to check this and then I will share my feedback. So meanwhile, is there anything else I can help you out? I'm just looking into this particular error snapshot, whatever you have given.
Okay.
Please check the message log for more details. So can I know
Okay.
what exactly you have done and then what is the error you are experiencing here?
Actually, we are packing this in large, the SSCC numbers, like more
Mm,
than 300. But after
mm.
this packing, it's showing the SSCC is showing in the error message.
Okay, the
And
error message, it says not a valid activity as EPC ID. There is a SSCC number is in transit. Correct?
yeah, yes.
So after looking into this error message, I could say that this SSCC is already shipped. However, user is again trying to ship this SSCC. But this is my feedback. However, I need to check this SSCC into the Tatmeen system and then I can confirm you. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So
Okay. Thank you.
I could just tell this by looking into the error message, but if you need more clarity, I will have to check in the system and then I can tell.
Okay. Okay.
You can simply verify if this SSCC is already shipped or not, just for your information. If it is already shipped, then user cannot perform the shipment of this SSCC for the second time.
Okay. But while we are
Okay.
checking on the verification time, it's showing the
Hmm.
error. But what we are saying
Verific.
that the status it's in transit. Correct?
Yes, correct.
Yeah. But we need to
Transit
know the
is in transit.
verification
Let me
table. We
check.
need to know
Let
what
me check it
exactly.
to you right away. If you can read out the SSCC
7629
7629
50000
0000.
40
Mm-hmm.
313
Okay.
0697.
0697. Now the SSCC, whatever you have told me now, and the SSCC which is captured in the error snapshot are different, right? The error message snapshot, it has 36295. The SSCC is starting with.
We have like multiple SCCs same this issue.
Okay,
That's why.
okay, okay. Whatever the SSCC which you told me, 762950000, right? So
Yes.
even this SSCC is shipped.
Okay. But
Okay,
it's opening in the verification table.
it will open if you have the valid access authorization to the GLN. Okay.
Okay.
So now
Okay.
this SSCC is shipped by, let me check, tell you the GLN as well. Give me a minute. So this SSCC is done by Julfar Drugstore. The GLN number 62950000400314. User who has access allocation to this GLN can verify this particular SSCC. Okay.
Okay.
If user doesn't have the GLN access, then that user cannot verify this SSCC.
Okay, but before shipping also it's showing that error message. Anyway, you just refer that email messages I sent,
Yes.
and then
Yeah.
later maybe
Hmm.
we can check on this one.
Yes. Once I am done with this call, I will share you the feedback in the ticket. All right.
Okay, okay.
Okay. All right.
Thank you.
Thanks. Thanks. Bye bye. Shiva, can you unmute yourself and ask your question, please? Shiva, can you unmute yourself and ask your question, please? I'm moving to the next caller because Shiva, you're not responding. If you have any questions, please drop an email to onboarding@tatmeen.ae. Praveen, can you unmute yourself and ask your question, please?
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Praveen.
How are you, sir?
Yes, good. Tell me.
Alhamdulillah. Actually, sir, Hiba is also with me.
Okay,
So we are just trying from my other system. So there was the mic issue. So we're just logging from here.
no problem.
My concern is that last time when the emerge came, they informed that whatever medicine we are using in the clinic, we have to do the registration at Tatmeen.
Yeah.
So how it is how to do the registration at Tatmeen for the medicines?
Okay, so the medicine registration, the product, right? So you can register it. You can register these products. The step one is reach out to the GS1 team. Their email ID is tatmeen@gs1ae.org. Drop an email to them
Sorry, can you please
with the
repeat?
tatmeen@gs1ae.org.
Okay. .org. Okay. That means
So
at
yeah,
gs1ae.org.
no. Let me repeat. Tatmeen@gs1
Okay. Okay.
ae.org.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so drop an email to this particular email ID saying you need to register these products. So this GS1 team will help you in registering the product. Okay, so they will provide a GTIN number, GTIN. So once the product is registered, GS1 team will push that latest data into Tatmeen system. So then you can see the products in Tatmeen.
So how we can see the products in the Tatmeen? So we are just using the Tatmeen app right now only. So how
Hmm.
we can see the medicine is updated in the Tatmeen portal?
Okay, you need to log in with the Spock user account, and then there is a, product display, partner display, and product display. So since you want to see the products, there is a product display tab. So over the product display, the items or the products which you have registered with GS20 will reflect in this particular screen.
Product display, product recall is there.
No. I will tell you the documentation name. Go to tatmeen.ae website.
Actually, right now we logged in on stgportal.tatmeen.ae. Is
Hmm.
that the portal we have to log in?
Yeah, there are two portals. STG is a staging portal, and Tatmeen Live is something, the live portal. So Mohap inspectors will do inspection on the Tatmeen Live. So Tatmeen staging is the environment where we ask users to perform validation before moving into live. Okay.
Okay.
So if you go to tatmeen.ae website, there is a training manual called Master Data, and over there you can see product master. You can see you can see master data training manual, page number 6. So this explains about how to check the products.
Master.
Master data. Actually, we are on the tatmeen.ae website.
That is what I'm saying. Tatmeen.ae website. Click on onboarding journey.
Onboarding journey. Yeah.
Go to training, number 4, training.
Training. Yeah.
Okay, so come to page number 7.
Page number 5, master data, right?
Yes. So you refer this particular documentation from page number 7. This will explain you the steps how to explore the products which are registered on Tatmeen.
Okay. Okay. Appreciate that.
All right.
Yeah.
So
Because
as I said, yeah.
yeah. No, we are a dental clinic, so they said
Mm,
you check with this team. There is training
mm,
on every Thursday because we
yeah.
are not using that much medicine. We are just using some
Mm.
uh, sedation injections.
Okay. Okay. All right. So any conventional or biological medicines needs to be reported into Tatmin. So that is as per the ministerial degree. So if your dental clinic is using these kind of medicines, then my suggestion for you is you will have to start reporting and then use Tatmin platform.
Okay. Okay.
All right.
And we have find one mohp.tatmin.ae, something like that, some website also. So actually, which website we have to access for entering all this data? That's also a question from our side.
Okay, so whatever the website or whatever the link you told me, I'm not aware of because that is not related to Tatmeen. So
Mhm.
we have two links, stgportal.tatmeen.ae. So this is for the staging, as I said earlier. So this is like where users log in and then try to understand the system, just for
Okay.
the sake of validation, testing, just to play around with the system. Okay,
Okay.
so once they got adjusted to the Tatmeen's staging system, the next step is Tatmeen Live. So the Tatmeen Live link is tatmeen at mohap.gov.ue. So this is the place where the users will have to start reporting into Tatmeen, where Mohap inspection team will be verifying all these products here.
Okay. So
All right.
the username and password for the tatmin.mohab.gov.ae will be the same, or we have to register it again?
These two systems are different, so you will be having two different email IDs and then the password.
Okay. So can you please guide us how to register on this one? Tatmin.mohab.gov.ae.
Okay, so do you have the GLN number with you, please?
Yes.
Okay, can you tell me the GLN number, please?
Okay. Just a second, sir. It's 629
Mm-hmm.
401
Okay.
835
Okay.
7469.
Okay. info@solankidental.com.
Okay.
So
That's a
this
use.
user is not registered. So what I will do is I will release the invitation link right now.
Okay,
So you will
please.
get a notification in the email. Check info@solankidental.com. So click, there would be an invitation link. Click on that link, generate username, password, and security code. Once you are done, the Tatmin registration for the live portal is done.
Okay, okay, okay. And there is the place where we have to enter all the details, right? The medicine what we are using and everything, right?
Yes, once you register your products with the GS1 team, as I said before,
Mhm.
they will reflect, and from there you can perform the required activities on Tatmin.
Okay, I appreciate it.
All right.
Yeah.
And this invitation link which I'm releasing will be valid for 48 hours from now.
Okay, I appreciate, I appreciate.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Yeah. First,
Okay.
we will
Thank you
try
so
all this.
much.
If there are any question, then we'll get back to you, sir.
Yeah, if you have any new questions, you can drop an email to onboarding@tatmin.ae. We will revert to you as soon as possible, please.
Oh, I appreciate. Thank you.
Yeah. Thanks, Praveen. Bye bye. I don't see any hands raised by the participants. If you have any questions, please raise your hand. I will allow you the mic and then we can discuss on your questions, please. Any participants, if you have any questions, please raise your hand. I will allow you the mic and then we can discuss on your questions, please. Okay, since there are no hands raised by the participants, I will conclude this call for this week. We will share this meeting regarding in next 24 hours from now. We will see you again next week, same time, 11 a.m. Dubai time. Thank you so much.